All elections of NRM will be between 12-1. From 12-1. The people assemble at 10. They assemble at 10, their names are read, they are proved to be the members. It is actually 12. The whole country will be voting. All the leaders of NRM, starting from the president up to the lowest leader, must go back to their villages to participate in the baraza and the election of structure. All the leaders, starting from the chairman of the party, we are now talking as a commission, very serious commission. All the leaders, starting from the chairman of the party, who is the president of Uganda, must find time to go back to their villages to ensure that their names are read, they are proved to be members in the register, and they vote for structure, which is the foundation of the party, and LOC1, which is the foundation of government. We want to get LOC1 flag bearers and that foundation of government. We want to keep structures at the village, which is the foundation of the political party called NRM. I repeat, expression of interest starts on 24th, tomorrow. Election will be on 6th May. The election will start with the village baraza. 72,000 villages will all hold baraza, where names are read, the people are ticked, and they are said, go and vote. The chairman of the party should find time to be in his village in Rwachitura. Mama Janet Museveni should find time to be in her village in Ntungam. The Speaker of Parliament, the Vice President of Uganda, the Prime Minister, all our leaders must find time to attend the barazas and interact with the people in their village. Once their names are read, they will line up and vote. Moluganda Sebo. Celebration party structure. Like I said, I want honorable Auma to lead us this because of Auma to take up. Strategy. We are not like other parties that don't regard the youth as important. With us, the youth are very important, and we know the youth go on up to 35 years. So as a party, we are aggregating our youth into our system. And once they are in the system, they can be raised as leaders through cadreship. They can be made leaders in the structure where they get to know the ideology of the party better for continuity. But we are also mindful of the national requirements. So the youth who will participate in the national requirements, the national level election, must meet the national requirements. The ones who remain in the structure are part of the party to make sure the party has the youth wave continuing in leadership formation up to the top. About being a commissioner of election commission. Our leadership position, ideology in the party is that we nurture the youth through the party system, so that as they grow out of youth, they can hold higher responsibility, but when they are quite oriented ideologically. That's why we are encouraging them to come in the party, not to participate in national council elections, but to participate within the party, to carry forward the message as elders resign, as elders retire, the youth continue. That's how a party goes on and on for many years. In the 10 years I've been the chairman, I've not seen any accusation on my desk that we use them and dump them. I want evidence-based research. And if you give it to me, I'll tell you it's not true. For now, we use the youth. We don't even use them. They are members of the party. If you're a member of the party, you can do work voluntarily. You don't need to come into the party for payment. That's not how a party is done. You come into the party so that you keep the principles, the ideology of the party continuing after they found the party. And that's the issue of how the NRM is using it. No, this is a mass party. We have a register of members. Even if you pay your 10,000 and you are not a member in the register, you'll have donated to the party that has got peace for 40 years. But you will not contest. Can that satisfy Tamil? I think yes. Nomination for special interest. Fortunate enough, I'm going to give you the nomination fees again. We have nomination fees for every category. I'm going to give it to you, and you will actually study and report fairly. So we are going to make sure you have this.
Ssentebe bw'abannyonnyodde naddala nga tutegeeza banna NRM activity egenda okusooka okutandika n'olunaku lw'enkya nga program bwetambula bwetyo. Oluvannyuma lw'okusifulumya roadmap yaffe yafuluma nga 15 activity oba ekigenda okutandikirwako mu kiseera kino kwe kulonda okw'obukiiko obw'oku kyalo obwa NRM okugenda okutandika n'okuteekayo empapula eziraga oyo ayagala okwesimbawo nga kitandika n'ennaku z'omwezi 24 lwe lunaku lw'enkya okutuuka n'ennaku z'omwezi 30 ku buli kifo ekiyitiko omuluka gwaffe mu Uganda yonna. Era bammemba b'NRM bokka abali mu yellow book be bakkirizibwa okuteekayo empapula ezisaba ekifo eky'okwesimbawo, ate n'abanne NRM bokka bokka abeewandiisiza mu bitabo ebyo be bajja okukkirizibwa okwetaba mu kukuba obululu ku lunaku lwa 6 May. Kampeyini zaffe ez'abasente bw'olwokuba bali mu byalo byabwe tetugenda kuba na rallies. Kampeyini zigenda kutandika okuba nga 1 okutuuka nga 5 ng'abantu abatuula mu kyalo omwo abamaze okuwaayo empapula zaabwe n'ebifo bye baagala mu kitundu ekyo bayitaayita mu bantu sekinoomu. Tetugenda kuba kampeyini rallies olwokuba tetwagala kusipiritinga byalo byaffe gye biri. Era nga 5 akawungeezi kampeyini zijja kuba ziwedde. Enkeera nga 6 May kuva ku ssaawa 4 abantu bajja kukuŋŋaanira mu kifo awagenda okulonderwa okutuuka ku ssaawa 6 bayite mu mpapula zaabwe eziboogerako, ate ku ssaawa 6 gwennyini okutuuka ku ssaawa 7 okulonda mu Uganda yonna kujja kubeerawo mu kiseera kye kimu. Kino kireeteddwa